Hello friends, it's Rick and Lisa's Kitchen and Garden. I just made a pizza with the ciabatta dough.
We bought it at Costco.
And this pizza is made with 6 of those dough cubes. It's really nice. It looks good. So this is the 12 doughs. I'll use 6 of them to make this pizza. It's very soft, so you have to use some dry flour and to work with, otherwise you get too sticky. I don't even think you need a rolling pin, you just work it with your hands. That's okay. Okay, now I made this pizza dough. It's kind of elastic, very elastic. And then I'll put some tomato sauce.
Yeah, all these ingredients are based on to your own taste. You know, if you want to put some...
Yeah, there's no right or wrong amount. You just do it by eye and by your own taste.
Some people like to put all kinds of things. Like there's pineapple. Some people say, "Oh, you shouldn't put pineapple on pizza. It's not a real," Then they call it Hawaiian pizza. But I've tried Hawaiian pizza and it's okay. I'm not against it.
Okay.
Put on some veggies, chop peppers.
Is that too much?
No.
Are you sure?
You still got other ingredients too.
Yeah.
And maybe a little bit of onion.
Maybe the onion. The onion is pretty strong.
Well, it depends on your taste. If you don't like onion, then don't put onion. But we both like onion, so why not? This is a sweet onion, so it's nice.
A couple of tomatoes?
Yeah, 2, 3 tomatoes, whatever. 4 tomatoes maybe.
3.
Depends on the size of the pizza.
Small one. It's a small one.
Yeah. And if you like pepperoni, yeah, this is good. This is farmer's sausage. It's
You think that's okay? Or you want more?
Squeeze in some more if you can.
Okay. Is that okay?
Yeah, and how about some cheese now? We have some shredded cheese.
Yeah, a little bit more pepper to give it a nice flavor. And some cheese.
That should be good. And then we'll bake it in the oven at
350?
or 400.
No, 350 or 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. This is a small pizza, so...
Yeah, we'll keep an eye on any of it.
Oh yeah, you have to keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
Just make sure.
Some people put it in really high temperature, 450 on a pizza stone, but we don't have a pizza stone. We have this perforated pan, which is good enough for letting the heat through. That should do the trick.
Okay. Look at that. It's finally done. Now we put on a little bit Parmesan cheese. And it's ready to be served. You want to cut it, Rick, now? Here comes the pizza. This is 6 dough cubes. I think it makes the size of the pizza. For sure it's good enough for 2 people. If you are not a big eater, you can feed 4.